Hello guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing great. I'm Ms. Sheerin.amin, an American English teacher. Today's lesson is Idioms, Part 4. Let's start. First, let's remember, as usual, what is an idiom? An idiom is a group of words in a fixed order that has a particular meaning that is different from the meaning of each word on its own. Another meaning. An idiom is a word or phrase which means something different from its literal meaning. Let's start our lesson with this idiom. Number 1. Get my goat. What does it mean? Let's see. Of course, we're not talking here about any animals or goats. But it means something that really bothers or annoys someone. Examples. That guy just gets my goat every time he opens his mouth. Another example. That woman really gets my goat. She does nothing but complain. Idiom number 2. Spill the beans. So let's see what it means. Meaning. It means to reveal secret information you are not supposed to share. Examples. I can't believe you spilled the beans about our party tomorrow. Now I'll have to invite Nancy. Another example. Be careful not to spill the beans before the big announcement. Or, I can't believe I spilled the beans about my crush. Now everyone knows and I'm embarrassed. The third idiom today is jump on the bandwagon. What does it mean? It means to do something because everyone is doing it, or to join an activity that has become very popular. Examples. Number 1. So many people are trying to quit smoking that I might as well jump on the bandwagon and quit too. Example number 2. After a couple of politicians won elections by promising to cut taxes, most of the others jumped on the bandwagon. Idiom number 4. Put lipstick on a pig. What does it mean? Don't worry, we're not talking here about lipsticks or pigs or any other animals. So let's see. It means that if you dress up an ugly person, they're still ugly underneath. Or it means to try to make something appear more appealing in a failed attempt to hide its true nature. I hope you got the meaning now. Let's see some examples. Number 1. Don't bother painting a wall until all the holes are fixed. It's like putting lipstick on a pig. Example number 2. He should just shave his head. Covering up that bald spot is like putting lipstick on a pig. Idiom number 5 and the last one today is bun in the oven. What does it mean? Are we gonna bake some cake in the oven? Nope. So, let's see. Bun in the oven is used to announce a pregnancy or that there is a baby growing inside a woman's body in a fun way. Examples. Number 1. Did you hear the good news? Lisa has a bun in the oven. Example number 2. We're expecting. There's a little bun in the oven. Thank you a lot for watching my video. Hope you liked it so much. If you're not a subscriber yet, you can subscribe to my channel on YouTube and to like my page on Facebook. For online courses, please drop an email to sheerin.amin181079@gmail.com or send a message to ms.sheerin.amin, American English, on Facebook, or ms.sheerin.amin on Instagram. Don't forget to click the button below for more notifications whenever I upload a video. Please write a comment below, putting each idiom in a sentence of your own. Hope you enjoyed it today. See you next time. Peace out.